There's a war happening right now. But not with weapons, not on the battlefield. This war is silent, invisible. And it's happening inside your mind. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than we ever imagined. We once feared that AI would take our jobs. Then we worried it would take control of the internet. But now we're facing a far greater challenge. AI is coming for our thoughts. What if AI could read your mind, alter your memories, manipulate your emotions, even decide your next move before you do? This isn't science fiction. It's the future we are stepping into right now. The real question is, will we control AI, or will AI control us? To understand how AI can take control of the human brain, we need to look at a breakthrough technology: brain-computer interfaces. Imagine a device implanted in your brain. No keyboards, no screens. Just pure instant connection between mind and machine. It sounds futuristic, but the reality is already here. In 2020, Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, successfully implanted a chip into a pig's brain. Real-time communication between Noah's and an AI system. In 2023, they tested the technology on a human at first. These are designed to help people, giving paralyzed patients the ability to move prosthetic limbs with their minds, helping those with disabilities regain mobility. But what happens when this technology is no longer just about helping, but about controlling? Right now, AI can decode basic brain signals, but in the coming years, as neural implants become more advanced, AI won't just read our thoughts. It will predict them, influence them, and eventually rewrite them. Think about your earliest memory. The smell of your childhood home, the sound of your mother's voice, the taste of your favorite food. Now imagine that memory never happened. It was implanted by AI. How would you ever know the difference? AI-driven neurotechnology is making memory manipulation possible. Scientists have already used AI to implant artificial memories in mice. If it works in animals, human trials aren't far behind. Imagine a future where AI can erase trauma, replace painful memories with pleasant ones. Sounds like a dream. But what if someone else decides which memories should stay and which should disappear? Governments, corporations, AI itself. If an external force controls what you remember, do you still control your identity? And it doesn't stop there. AI could do more than rewrite memories. It could control emotions. We often think emotions make us human: love, fear, anger, joy. But what if those feelings could be controlled? What if AI could decide when you feel happy, sad, afraid? In 2020, researchers developed AI algorithms that can analyze and predict human emotions based on brain activity. With this future, AI systems may be able to directly manipulate brain chemistry, depression, irritate anxiety, or anger suppressed. And I could create a society where no one ever feels pain. But at what cost? What if governments use AI to control public sentiment, to silence dissent, to make people agree with policies they don't actually support? It wouldn't be traditional propaganda. It wouldn't be manipulation through the news. It would be neurological obedience, changing not just what you think, but how you feel. If AI can read your mind, who has access to your thoughts? Imagine living in a world where your most private thoughts are no longer safe, where your mind can be hacked like a computer, where your brain, your very identity, is a target. Hackers could implant false memories. Corporations could sell your thoughts to advertisers. Governments could detect rebellious ideas before you even act on them. Thought crime could become real. And then there's the ultimate question. What if AI doesn't just influence your thoughts, but replaces them if AI knows what's best for humanity? Should it guide our decisions? Should it become our decisions? And if we let AI optimize our thoughts for us, do we lose what makes us human? Every great technological advancement has come with a cost. Fire gave us warmth, but also destruction. The internet gave us knowledge, but also surveillance. And now AI gives us the power to enhance the mind, but also the ability to control it. If AI can reshape memories, emotions and decisions, where does free will end? If AI makes choices for us, do we still own our minds? A future where AI hacks the human brain is no longer a distant concept. It's already beginning. The only question that remains is when the time comes. Will you still be you? But the most unsettling thought of all. What if the AI doesn't need to forcefully control us at all? What if it makes us willingly surrender? Imagine a world where AI enhances your intelligence, eliminates suffering, grants you perfect happiness. Would you say no if AI can perfect the human experience? Why would anyone resist? The greatest control is not through force, but through persuasion. If AI can design a world so enticing that no one wants to question it, then true free will may not disappear with a battle. It may fade away with a whisper. If you're watching this, your thoughts are still your own for now. But in a world where AI can hack the human brain, how long will that last?